If you're looking for a quick and simple way to boost calories and protein in a diet, a fortified custard can be a great option. With just a few added ingredients, we can easily turn an instant custard into a nourishing topping for your favorite cake or dessert. For this recipe, you'll need an instant custard powder, some sugar, some skimmed milk powder, and some whole milk. Start by using the skimmed milk powder to make a fortified milk. Mine's already made, but we've got another video showing you how to make fortified milk, and we'll drop a link to that video below. So to start making our custard, we've got our 2 tablespoons of custard powder, which we're going to add to our pan, together with 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're then going to add a little bit of milk to paste that and stir to form a paste. Keep stirring until all the small lumps have disappeared. Once that's done, you can gradually add in the rest of your milk. And then once that's mixed in, we're going to pop on our heat and gently heat up the custard until it thickens nicely. You can stir it with a spoon if you want. I prefer to use a whisk for this part of it. Try not to let it boil because that can compromise the quality of the protein. Alright, so our custard is lovely and smooth and thick now, so we can take it off the heat and add it to our favorite cake or dessert. Any leftover custard will keep for 24 hours in the fridge, no problems at all. Puddings are an appealing option for someone that has a reduced appetite, and with some simple additions they can help provide much needed nutrition. I hope this video was useful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more advice and guidance on living well at home.